Kurt here, physical therapist by trade. To lock my car, but a realist at heart. And today's reality is that sometimes you keep doing the same thing over and over again and you don't realize it, but you're wondering why your results suck. So that's what we gotta talk about. We're at my favorite store, Home Depot. We're laying some grass today. We'll see if they allow me to let the camera in. Sometimes they don't. Just sneak you in. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, I made it in. I'm laying sod. I'm not buying sod here. I want to protect my car, so I need some plastic. I need something else. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully I remember. I'm assuming it's in the paint section, but I can't find the plastic rolls. One for $2 or 3 for $4. Win it up, give more. This is the main thing. I got an appointment at the farm to go get to, check out, set up the car, and then we'll get there. Have I explained today well? I don't know. I was stressed about not being able to bring you in. The backyard is such a big part of our life. So it's important to us, it's important to me specifically, to still enjoy that backyard. Over the past year and a half, where we play a lot, it's just mud. I've always laid down seed. I've always done it. I was like, you know what, this year, let's lay down sod. I've done it once with my dad when I was like, I don't know, 8, 10, like a long time ago. But it's fun. I'm excited. I'm excited to try new things. I'm excited to try some change. What if the grass doesn't fit? It's not often that you pick up however much square footage of grass that I'm getting in an SUV. This is like an hour and a half away. Thanks, man. Here goes nothing. I was racing the sun and Home Depot clock because I rented a tiller. I didn't get to film it because I was racing the clock, but I'm trying. I'm trying to place sod. I'm trying to put sod in the middle of some pre-existing grass that just could never take grass. So let's see how it goes. I'd say he likes it. do know that you want to stagger your seams. It's like you're laying brick, but that way the seams aren't all in the same line, so the grass has a better chance of sticking. You like this, don't you, bud? Just a tip with Kurt and Bennett. Tip number 2 is you want to keep it nice and moist. Don't let it dry out. Which means likely watering it halfway through. But again, I'm no sod expert. We're just figuring this out together. Now I actually have a tip that I'm actually qualified to give. Left some sod in the car. Coincidentally, it's right in the middle. So if you know anything about lifting mechanics or any of that stuff, the further away you are, the higher likelihood you're gonna hurt something. But when you got something that's blocking you and you can't reach, what do? Well, I have the product for you. No, what you gotta do is change your anchor. So it's not like feet anchored to the ground. Try to anchor those knees and get your body weight. Get your body weight as far forward towards the center of mass that you're trying to move. So get your center of mass closer to that center of mass, and that's gonna decrease the lever, decrease the moment arm, which means less force, less pressure, less stress on your back. So dive those knees in, lean in, grab, and we're good to go. My measurements are off. Down half of it, and I have like a quarter left. What's 12 times 20? What's 12 times 20? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got. And I measured 12 times 20. Look pretty good. It's too low. There we go. Another tip. You probably saw my back rounded a lot. Rounded back is actually good. Hey, come. Rounded back is actually good. It's actually a-okay if you're not producing load, producing force. It's actually fine if you're not producing force, so like lifting something up. You actually need to be able to round your back, look like a Jefferson's curl. Many of you are my face is out of frame. Many of you are too upright, too tall, too military pocket. As you notice, if you look back in the video, move load by producing force, lift something up like a roll of grass. Stick my butt up the air, activate those hamstrings, activate those glutes, back is safe. Standard deadlift tips. A little tip for you. It's like sun's up 5 o'clock, lunch. Yeah. And we're done. It's been about a month. Guys, it's amazing. I knew sod was great, but I didn't know it was this great. My dog loves it. It's instant nice grass. It's the nicest grass we've got. It cuts well. Everything lived. Everything rooted. Everything was perfect. I did learn one thing especially. This is tall fescue. It doesn't stand up that well to dog pee. We normally have ryegrass, Kentucky ryegrass, I think. Perennial ryegrass, I don't remember. It stands up really well to dog pee apparently, because this dog really likes certain spots. It hasn't stood up that well to dog pee. Other than that, guys, this was amazing. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you next time. We're probably going to talk about shoulder pain. My dad has some shoulder pain, so I'm probably going to go into the deep dive of shoulder pain. It'll be fun. We'll see you next week. Bye.